Ijambiri amoyo. Build some shit.
What's up? I'm going to press it, John. Hey, how you say, boy? Okay, just play the beat, then yeah, we'll see what happens. Nothing much. I
What's in Sunday?
Just gonna place my ass right over here. Do nothing.
I didn't punch him once. Okay, if you want to, can you hear me down here?
Yeah.
Let's go in the shit. This floor is my bitch.
Come on, bro.
I farted it.
Try some.
Okay, huffing and puffing. I'm smoking this blunt. It's nothing. I'm sick to my stomach. I'm about to catch. What's up, motherfucker? I come through. What the fuck you gonna do? Put that sugar in your mouth. Shot. And then, motherfucker, you catch all of my brand new shoes. Okay, I'm passing out. I'm passing blood. We ashing out. I'm ashing cut. I'm fucking cut. Dick in her butt. Adulterated shit. Man, I just get on this beat and fuck it. Have a daughter, son or two. I'm sons. I'm high in the sky like the motherfucking sun. Okay, I am the chosen one. You are the motherfucker who fell from the star and came to my planet. You think you can run this shit? And I'm running Josie, aka take a seat, nigga. You just like you Shorzy. Shower head. Talk all the nasty shit. You need a shower. I'm showering all my haters with this cash. I'm baking a soda. They're baking a soda. I give it to that pregnant bitch and tell her it's over. Abortion shit. Cholesterol. I've been dying before niggas try to take it off. Bitch, I'm taking off. I'm a fucking rocket. Launching to the moon, motherfucker. Popping. I pop guns. Put you 6 feet under, nigga. Killers. J. Brick.